You know it by brand names like Ozempic, Rybelsus, and Wegovy, a class of drugs called GLP-1s, prescribed in Canada for diabetes and weight loss, now seemingly showing promise for a host of other conditions.
We literally mapped the whole landscape of the relationship between GLP-1 and all possible health outcomes.
The largest study of its kind, published in the journal Nature Medicine, looks at more than 200,000 Americans who used GLP-1s. Compared with those who were not on these medications, it finds a reduced risk of more than 40 health conditions, including heart disease, stroke, and kidney disease. Among the strongest links, a reduction in drug and alcohol abuse.
The signal there was very, very consistent. And that is also consistent with our understanding of how GLP-1s really work.
These drugs act on parts of the brain that are involved in impulse control.
Opiate use disorder, less association, cannabis use disorders, and alcohol. This is very hopeful because it opens up new avenues of research, both in terms of treatment, but also what causes these illnesses.
The study also suggests a 12% reduction in cases of Alzheimer's disease. In this Toronto lab, researchers are exploring links between inflammation of the brain and Alzheimer's, including whether GLP-1s could help.
Type 2 diabetes is a risk factor for Alzheimer's, so a promising agent, which is revolutionizing the treatment of type 2 diabetes, would of course be considered as a logical option for the treatment of Alzheimer's disease.
The Canadian scientist whose work laid the foundation for GLP-1s is intrigued by the study.
This is fascinating new science. GLP-1 won't work for all of these conditions, but let's do the proper trials to see where there might be a benefit or not.
The study's authors and the independent experts agree far more research is needed before these drugs could be approved for treating any conditions other than diabetes and obesity. Mike Crawley, CBC News, Toronto.